Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Wired MBA community. You all must have started on with your CAT and OMIT preparation by now. And एक बहुत ही common question जो आप सभी के mind में आ रहा होगा that could be whether or not are you eligible to get admitted into top B schools. Well, to answer you this question, yes, you definitely are eligible. You need to understand the selection process first. And in this video, I'll be letting you guys know the top D schools that you can target even if you have a low academic weightage. Make sure you watch this video till the end and do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you do not miss out on any important update. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. First thing that you need to know is the CAT eligibility criteria. Now, the CAT eligibility ये कहता है that the minimum marks that you require in your graduation is 50% for general and OBC candidates and 45% for SC, ST and PWD candidates. Again, if you are a final year student who is in their final year of graduation, you too are eligible to go for CAT and other management entrances. Candidates who are opting for professional courses, just let's say CA, CMA, CFA, so many other professional courses, even they are eligible to appear for CAT. Now, one very important thing, 10th and 12th scores do not affect the eligibility. That means आपका कोई direct effect नहीं होता आपके 10th and 12th के score का in your eligibility criteria. But yes, once you are done with these exams and once आपके selection process starts होते हैं, आपका जब interview start होता है, 10th and 12th के marks are taken into consideration, but they definitely do not affect your eligibility. Next up, B school selection process. तो एक B school, let's take for an example IIMs का selection process क्या होता है? The first step is acing the entrance with the required score and percentile. Obviously, अगर आप कोई भी B school target कर रहे हो, जैसे we have taken example of IIMs and IIMs आपकी CAT का score लेते हैं. तो जब आप CAT देने वाले हो, you need to make sure कि आप required score and percentile लाओ so that you are eligible at least कि आप CAT के बाद तो top B school target कर सको. In case of IIMs, you at least need a 99 plus percentile so that आप best top IIMs को target कर सको. Secondly, आपकी प्रोफाइल इवेलुएट होती है once you're done with that. आपकी प्रोफाइल में क्या क्या कंसिडर किया जाएगा? Your CAT score, the academic performance, your work experience, any extracurriculars that you have done. All these yardsticks are taken into consideration और एक स्कोर निकलता है इससे. उसके बाद आप जब सिलेक्ट होते हो for the GDPI and VAT rounds, once the GDPI and VAT rounds are done, again based on आपने PI में कैसा परफॉर्म किया एक फाइनल स्कोर निकलता है and based on that final score it is decided that whether or not have you converted your dream B school. तो चलिए start करते हैं with the top B schools that you definitely can target if you have a low academic score. And firstly, it's Exeleri, Xavier School of Management, Jamshedpur. इसका HR program best consider किया जाता है all over Asia. And average CTC that you can expect from Exeleri is around 32.7 lakhs per annum. Location, Exeleri का एक campus जमशेदपुर में भी है and the other campus is in Delhi as well. Exeleri आपका ZAT का score accept करता है. And the programs that they offer is PGDM in HRM, Business Management, and General Management. Next up, it's FMS, that's Faculty of Management Studies. That is like the red building of dreams for so many aspirants. Again, it is considered as one of the best ROI colleges in India. With the fees of 2 lakhs, आपको average CTC मिलता है FMS में of about 34 lakhs per annum. FMS is in Delhi. एंड FMS आपके CAT को स्कोर एक्सेप्ट करता है एंड MBA के राउंड के प्रोग्राम्स आपको ऑफर करेगा. नेक्स्ट अप इट्स MDI गुड़गांव. नाउ अगेन MDI इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट B schools in India with the average package of around 27.6 LPA. MDI आपकी CAT and GMAT का स्कोर एक्सेप्ट करता है and the programs offered are PGDM and HRM and international business. Next up, it's Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, IIFT. IIFT आपका recent years तक अपना खुद का एग्जाम कराता था, that was IIFT, but it has waived off from last year and IIFT has started to accept your CAT score. Probably इस साल भी IIFT आपका CAT का ही score accept करेगा. Again, IIFT is considered to be one of the great colleges for international business. Again, आपका average CTC that IIFT offers is around 29 lakhs per annum. Location, IIFT के दो बहुत ही good institutes हैं, one's in Delhi and the other one is in Kolkata. Again, IIFT would be accepting your CAT score. And as I mentioned, MBA in International Business are some of the programs that IIFT offers. Next, it's SJM SOM, that is a department of IIT Bombay. As You all know you can also target IITs if you are an MBA aspirant and if you want to get into a top B school, if it's not an IIM or any other B school, you can definitely target IITs as well. And now, if you have a low academic weightage, you can definitely target IIT Bombay with the average CTC of 28.8 lakhs per annum. The score that they accept is CAT, and they provide you programs revolving around MBA. Next up, it's SIBM Pune, which is a Symbiosis Institute. And again, Symbiosis के 15 to 16 institutes है जिनके लिए वो अपना special exam conduct कराते हैं, and that's SNAP, जिसका competition levels from the recent years have actually increased with the average CTC of 26.7 lakhs per annum. The location is in Pune, and they just accept your SNAP score, and they'll be accepting, and the programs that they offer is a general MBA and some specialized MBA as well. Next up, it's NMIMS, Narsi Munji Institute of Management Studies, which is again a good B school for their HR and pharmacy program with the average package of 26.6 lakhs per annum. The location is Mumbai. It also has other different institutes in Hyderabad and Bangalore. NMIMS अपना खुद का exam कराता है, and that's NMAT. And the programs that are offered, as I mentioned, MBA, MBA in HR, and MBA in pharmacy. Next up, it's DOMS, Department of Management Studies, which is a department of IIT Delhi. Another IIT Delhi that you can target if you have a low academic weightage. The average CTC is around 25.8 lakhs per annum. The Department of Management Studies accepts your CAT score, and they offer you programs revolving around MBA. Another Symbiosis Institute, that's SCMHRD, Symbiosis Center for Management and Human Resource Development, which is also regarded as a very good B school for their HRM program. Again, with the average CTC of 23.7 lakhs per annum, the location is Pune, they'll be accepting your SNAP scores. And again, MBA Business Administrations are some of the programs that they provide you with their MBA programs. Another Xavier's Institute, that is XIM, that is Xavier Institute of Management, Bhubaneswar, which is a leading Tier 2 B school in India with the average CTC of around 20.03 lakhs per annum. XIMB आपके CAT, SAT, NMAT and इनका खुद का भी एक एग्जाम होता है, that's XGMT. इनके scores आपका XIMB accept करता है, and they provide you programs revolving around MBA. So this was it regarding the top B schools that you can target if you have a low academic weightage, and these are some of the B schools जो not just CAT, आपके other management entrances का भी score accept करता है. So make sure you're not just targeting one exam, you target. There are 7 to 8 other management entrances as well जो आप target कर सकते हो, and जिनके through you can actually make your dream come true that you want to get into a Tier 1 B school in India. Now, we have an IIM Selection Mastery Workshop tomorrow that would be hosted by our very own CEO, Mayur sir. And here you would actually get an idea as to how you can crack CAT 2024, the GD, the PI, and get into your dream B schools and the top IIMs in just one attempt. And this you'll be getting with a personalized approach. So I'll be mentioning the link on the description so that you register for this workshop and you get a chance to actually convert these B schools in a single attempt. See you in the workshop as well. So if you want further videos on different contents of CAT and other management entrances and different B schools in India, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Comment if you have any doubts or queries. All the very best and see you soon.